Hey YouTubers, Nick Know here with another unboxing for you guys. This is a special unboxing as I'm going to be unboxing the Sony SR10 Handycam, high definition. Alright, let's get started here. First time I am opening it. Hasn't been opened before. Shipping took about 5 days. I ordered it from bnhvideo.com. Oh, nice. Got some bubble wrap. Put your knife away. Okay, here it is, guys. There it is, Sony HDR SR11. Alright, hold on, guys. I'm just going to move to my desk real quick. Alright. Let's go right here. Sorry about this, guys. Just to get a better look at it. Alright, so let's open this guy. Or first, let's take a look at the box. Here we go, Sony Handycam SR11. I did buy this from bnhvideo.com. Alright, let me just get my knife again. Where did I put it? Here we go. Alright. There we go. Been waiting a long time for this. Alright, so what do we got here? First thing we got is our Sony Handycam probably instructions guide, handbook. And we got a little bit of paperwork here. Alright. So far nothing yet. Let's open this up. And here we got, what is this? Looks like the dock. Yep, this is the dock. You just place the camera on there. Alright. Let's put this back in here. And I think I bought this for about $560 from B&H Video, so I did get a good deal. Next, let's look inside here. Oh, we got our AV component to hook it up to the TV. Got another AM component, probably to also hook up to the TV, obviously. USB to camera. And then we got our charger. What else here? We have the adapter. And we have the battery. Here's the battery. Alright, let me just get all this stuff back in here. I will be reviewing this camera shortly, so stick around for that. And please, guys, subscribe to my channel, support me. And last, but definitely not least, we have the actual camera. Now, I've never held this in person. It's the first time seeing it with you guys. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Look at that. 4 megapixel still image, full 1080p recording. Man, this is a nice camera. There you go. The battery goes right here. Sony. Just put your hand in like that. Record. There's the screen. Ooh, this is nice. So let's bring it up here. There we go. "15x optical zoom." Alright, guys, yep. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to be reviewing this product. Please stick around, subscribe for my channel to get into my giveaways and things like that.